On this video, I'm going to show you how to do a solid granny square. So this is a solid granny square. We start from the middle, we make a circle by chaining 6, we make the first layer, and then we grow in rounds. The first thing you want to do is grab your yarn and your hook. I am using a hook that is a J10 US or 6 millimeters. I'm going to do the first stitch just by doing a loop on the yarn, and then from here I'm going to start chaining 6. So a chain is just bringing the yarn inside the loop that is already on the hook. I have 1 chain here. I do 2 chains, 3. I'm going to do very slow so you can see it. You go below, around, wrap it, and bring it inside. Here I have 3 chains, 4 chains, 5, and 6. Once I have 6 chains, I'm going to unite the circle with the first and the last stitches by putting my hook inside the first chain and then grabbing the yarn, wrapping around it, pulling it through the first chain, pulling it through again the second chain. Now I have my inner circle. So the inner circle is this one, is the base of all the rows we're going to do. Once I have the inner circle done, I'm going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have chained 5. Now I'm going to start working with double crochets to build each one of the sides. So here you can see we have 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. On the next one, I'm going to have 7 double crochets because on each corner I put 2. So 2 on this corner, 2 on the other corner, and the 3 that were originally in the middle. So let's do the first row here. I chained 5. I'm going to do 2 double crochets. A double crochet is you wrap the yarn around your hook so you have 2 loops, 1, 2. You go inside the big circle, you grab the yarn again from the inside, bring it to the front, and you're going to have 3 loops. With these 3 loops, I'm going to wrap the yarn around, pull it inside the 2 first loops. So I'm going to have 2 left, and I'm going to do the same step again. Wrap the yarn, pull through the 2 remaining loops. This is our first double crochet. I need 2 more of these. I said 2 double crochets, it's actually 3. We're going to need 3. So I have 1, this is the second one, and I'm going to do the third one. So wrap the yarn around the needle, around the hook, go inside the circle, pick the yarn and bring it to the front. We have 3 loops. We're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, pull through 2, and then we're going to pull through the remaining 2. We have 3 double crochets, and we have the 5 chains from the beginning. Now, this is one of the corners. So a corner is each one of these holes. So what we did was we chained 5, which is here. We double crocheted 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to make this first corner. We're going to do a corner by chaining 2 and then doing 3 double crochets, and it repeats. Chain 2, 3 double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and I'll meet you here in the end. So as I said, we're going to chain 2 for the corner. We're going to do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets. I have two sides ready. So side number 1, side number 2 of our square. It's the corner again, so I'm going to chain 2. 1, 2, 3 double crochets. First one, second double crochet, and third one. Do not worry about this little tail that is remaining here. We can always weave it in and hide it. Just leave it in the back so it doesn't bother you. I have 3 double crochets. Now it's the corner again. I chain 2. And on the last side, I'm only going to do 2 double crochets, and I'm going to explain why. The reason why I'm doing only 2 double crochets is, remember in the beginning, so this is the tail, I'm going to put it behind. In the beginning, we chained 5, and then we did 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 double crochets, 2 chains, 2 double crochets. The double crochet is the same height as 3 chains. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count this chain as one of my double crochets. And I'm going to do a slip stitch to skip to the next row. So I'm going to count 3 chains, so first, second,